Hey everybody, it's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. That's the R-1. Now I've got those strange weights on the front, right at the, covering against the pilot. And I've got them in the back. It's the only place I could fit them. Obviously I'd have to do a little more thinking about where they should go. But for right now, we're going to give it a test. And let's see. Touching the wrong control. All right, I don't know if he's going to make it. Now the wheels I cleaned with an eraser, but maybe not enough. See, it's funny how each train has its own weak spots, except for the newer ones. She doesn't want to go past there. That's a dirty spot. Oh. No short. Must be another dead spot. I should have taken that long train with me. Here's another one. Let's use this. Of course, this is poor practice, but it's better than nothing. Oh, see, there's a derail there. Nope. Gonna have to go get her. As soon as she comes around, let's stop her over there. Because something made this little wheel come off. She's not tracking so bad. She doesn't feel right though. Feels cockeyed. Yeah, see that? Something is not letting her. I gotta work on the arms under there. They're getting caught. That's fouling it. Look, not too bad. So it's the flexor arms on the lead and rear truck. Hey, you know what? Not so bad. If I could fix that so that the trucks slide back and forth without getting caught, you'd be all right. That's a dead spot again. All right, I'll have to clean those tracks. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.